Now at 5:30, an NBC6 exclusive. A dog lending a paw to a couple of abandoned kittens. The dog had no puppies, and the kittens had no mother.
So, two shelters teamed up to save these animals' lives. NBC6's Ari Odzer has the story.
Mamas? Come on, Mamas. Oh, yes, she wants to come.
Marcy the mutt has a face only her kittens could love. Did I just say kittens?
Hey.
It's as if they were meant to be together. There's no doubt about that. They're doing very well. And I can't believe our luck that we actually had a lactating dog that could feed the kittens. So it's wonderful.
Here's the story. Someone dropped off the newborns Romulus and Remus a couple of weeks ago at Abandoned Pet Rescue. The next day, Broward Animal Control called, said they had a lactating dog with no puppies. So they decided to put the dog and the cats together and let nature take its course, as it were. And Marcy's been nursing the cats ever since.
I think the mothering instinct just takes over, and she's got babies, and her heart's full, and her life is full.
When a mother loses her puppies and the kittens need a mommy, they'll take to each other very easily.
The shelter rescues pets every day, but having a dog that rescues cats, well, that's a different animal.
It's pretty fantastic. It really gives you hope that these animals are going to do really well. Especially when you have a scrawny, underweight little kitten to show up at the shelter.
So did this experiment work? Well, take a look at these kitties. They look pretty good, don't they? Apparently, mommy dog and her milk did a pretty good job.
This was pretty unusual. It was a pretty exciting thing to see happen here.
So that whole myth about dogs and cats not being able to get along shattered here.
Shattered, completely shattered, yeah.
In Fort Lauderdale, Ari Odzer, NBC6.
Is that not like the cutest thing in the world?
I've never heard of that, and they're so cute, those little kittens.
Oh my gosh.
Amazing.